Guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a very nice 8.5 18 Haulmark we just got in stock. This one's a 2019 Haulmark Transport, which is one of their upgraded lines. And this one again is an 8.5 18. It is insulated, does have windows, does have a rounded roof in it, two-tone exterior. As you guys can see, you've got the charcoal front with a black back, aluminum wheels, radial tires, and this one is on a heavy-duty 6-inch frame. So this is set up for cars, toys, or cargo, whatever you guys need to haul in here. It is an extended triple tube tongue, so it's going to give you guys a really nice turning radius with this unit. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom there. Nice, huge 48-inch side door. Does have the RV lock on it, so you guys will have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. And then again, there's your aluminum wheels, radial tires, two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours with this unit. And then you also have the nice heavy-duty plated drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. This one again is set up for cars, so you've got this transition flap here at the end of the ramp, as well as a dovetail coming into the trailer, so you guys are going to have a nice easy angle coming in and out of here. And then we do have the awesome Nudo floor with Drymax. That's this black product that you guys see right here. The Nudo is on top, which is a great product. It's super durable. Underneath has Drymax, and Drymax is a water resistant product that's also then on the underneath side of your trailer, so a nice upgrade from just a standard wood floor. 7-foot interior height with this unit. You'll have about 6'9" here at the rear ramp door with the dovetail. Again, insulated walls, insulated ceiling, white vinyl wall and ceiling liner. There's two of those windows. They are slider windows with screens, plus you have an overhead roof vent, so great ventilation in this unit. 4 D-rings in the floor, recessed and ready to go. Those are rated for about 5,000 pounds a piece, so definitely rated for cars if needed. 2 overhead LED lights on the ceiling. There's one of those slider windows for you guys. Nice step coming in and out of the side door. Back side of that RV lock gives you guys a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. Toggle switch right here is going to turn on those 2 overhead LED lights, and 2 more additional D-rings here in the front. So this is just a great versatile all-around trailer for you guys, because it is still the smaller size, so it's very easy and manageable, but it's also set up heavy duty enough that you can put a car in here, or like I said, this is a great trailer to haul a 4-seat RZR or a 4-seat UTV and a couple dirt bikes or something like that. So anyway, here it is. Give us a call. We would love to earn you guys' business if you're in the market for a new trailer. I will post the price down below in the description. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.